In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Freecash. So if you don't know what Freecash is a website whereby you can make money by playing games, completing service, and also testing apps. Yeah, Freecash has been in the system for 3 years now. It was founded in 2020 and then we are currently in 2024. So they have been in the system for 3 years now. And then in today's video, I'm going to actually show you how you can make money on the website. So if you first join the website, here is where you'll be brought to. And then if you first join the website, you'll be given a price case. So the price case where the price case is whereby you can stand a chance to win from 5 cents to $250, from 5 cents all the way to $250. And then what price is ends on or what price is lands on, you'll be rewarded with that price. So here I'm currently on Freecash. So if you want to get access to the free case I'm talking about, use the link in the description. That will be the first link in the description box. So if you first join the website, here's where you'll be brought to. I'm on the home page right now, and then here is the featured offers. Here offers that has been featured on the website, and then the offer providers. So here are offer partners, all the offers, the people that provide the offers for you to complete. Here are them listed here, and also where you can complete service. So here are the service providers. Currently they have 6 service providers, and then if you want to complete a service, all you have to do is to click on any of these ones right here, and then you know whether there is a service for you to complete or not. So if you want to, you see, if you look at the top right here, you can see people are recently withdrawing money from this website, like they are cashing out real money from this website. So here's a live start or a live withdrawal going on. So this person just made a cash out of 32 cents through stake. So that's one thing about the website. You can cash out any amount of money you have in your account. So you can see this person just cashed out 32 cents through stake. So they have a variety of cash out methods. So let me show you how you can actually make money on this website. So you have to come over to the offers tab right here, and if you come over to the offers tab, currently we have 670 offers available, and then these have been combined. Yeah, they have all been combined right now. That's why they say 660 offers right now. But then you can sort it by categories. If you look below, you can see you can sort it by game, app, purchase, free trial, quiz, casino, and other. So if you look at the sign up offers right here, if you come over to the sign up offers, they currently have 13 sign up offers available, and then you can complete them just by signing up with your email or with your phone number. So they currently have Clean Fox sign up offer right here. I've completed one of these, so like, what am I saying? So if you also come over to the game tab or the game category, they also have 888 games available. But then one thing you have to know about the games is that all these games pay higher. Like the games pay high. So the offers that you can use to make most money, the offers that pay most, or the high amount of money, is games. But then the games, they pay high because they are hard to complete them. If you take example for example DC block 1010 that you are seeing right here, when I first joined the website and then I found this offer and I was like, man, $10, let me complete this offer. So when I downloaded the app, they told me to complete 40, then they told me to complete level 40. Yeah, so I need to complete level 1 all the way to level 40. I need to complete 40 levels. But then to complete level 1 isn't easy. So level 1, they told me to collect 10,000 tickets. Yeah, 10,000 coins. In fact, sorry, 10,000 coins. And then this game too is a puzzle game. You know how puzzle games are. Puzzle games are not easy to complete. Yeah, puzzle games are hard to play. And then they told me to collect 10,000 coins. I was like, man, okay, let me try and see. So as I completed level 1, and then they took me to level 2. They told me to collect 20,000 tickets on level 2. And I was like, man, even how I completed level 1 wasn't easy. And now they are telling me to collect 20,000 tickets again. So, and then like I was like, man, if I am to complete this game, then it will take me months, if not days or weeks. So I deleted the game immediately. I'm to complete level 40. And then you are telling me you are adding up. So if I'm to complete level 40, that would be 400,000 coins. Yeah, I'll need to collect 400,000 coins. So I deleted the game immediately. So that's one thing you have to bear in mind. The games are not easy to complete. Yeah, but then if you want to play the games still, if you still want to play the games, focus on the games that pays low. Like if you see this one pays 65 cents, that means this game is not hard to complete. I've tried one of the games that was Giant Rush. It was a very easy game. They told me to complete level 300, and then like I completed that one I think 4 days. Yeah, I'll make sure I'll reach like 100 level 100 each. Like I'll make sure I play 100 levels on each day. But then it took me 4 days to complete the game. Like the games really pays, but then you have to focus on those that pays cents below $1, below $1. Those are easy games, but then those that pays higher are hard to complete them. So if you also come over to apps, here's whereby you can download apps and then you'll be rewarded. So here all you have to do is to download apps. All you need to is just have to download and then run them for I think 5 seconds or 30 seconds, and then your reward will be added up to your balance. And then also here is purchase. Here you have to buy something. So currently they have only one offer here. Surfshark is a VPN. So you have to purchase the VPN and then you will be rewarded with $8 right here. And then free trial, you have free trial quizzes. Currently they have 21 quizzes available, and then also casino, as you are seeing. So here are quizzes and then casino, and then you also have order. So let's say you have earned a certain amount of money, right? How can you really cash out? So if you come over to the cash app tab right here, here's the cash app tab, and you can see they have so many cash out methods. Like they have a variety of cash out methods. You can cash out you can cash out through real cash. You can cash out real cash. If you want to get a real cash in your hand, you can cash out through these methods. And then if you can also cash out by cards, gift cards. So they have gift cards, so many gift cards available. And then also you can cash out by skins. Like you can cash out for this game. I don't know what this game is. It's called CS:GO. I don't know the game, but I know Fortnite. You can use your balance to open a skin in Fortnite or League of Legends. So here are the games that you can use. You can open skins on or in. So you can cash out through PayPal, but then to cash out through PayPal, you need to have $5 in your account. You need to earn $5 to be able to cash out through PayPal, or $5 and above. Yeah, $5 and above to cash out through PayPal, all the way to $200 PayPal. And then you can also cash out through Bitcoin. But then to cash out through Bitcoin is somehow complicated, because like you see the fee they charge more. Like to cash out through Bitcoin, you have to have above $9 to be able to withdraw through Bitcoin, because you see the Bitcoin fee is $9 right now. In fact, $10. Okay, let's take it as $9 right now. You see the fee is $9 to cash out through Bitcoin. So if you want to cash out through Bitcoin, you have to enter the address right here, the account of the link of your Bitcoin account or your Bitcoin balance wallet. How to enter the link right here, and then save address, and then enter the amount of money you want to convert into Bitcoin, and then click on the withdraw, and then it will go straight to your Bitcoin wallet. And then you can also, so here are where people are cashing out cents into their accounts. You see if you come over to stake, you can cash out any amount of money that you have, or any amount of money, yeah, any amount of money that you have in your account right now, or in your balance. You see, you can cash out through Litecoin, Dogecoin, XRP, that is Staker. Yeah, you can cash out through SRP. So here are coins, like here are also crypto coins. Yeah, and then you can also cash out through this coin. I don't know what coin is this. I know Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then USDT. So here is where you can cash out any like cents. Yeah. So that's the stake right now. So here is where most people use. If you look at here, you can see stake, and also another stake right here. And most of them are cents because you can. That's the option to allow you to cash out your cents. And then you can also cash out through Ethereum, Straight, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and then also ATM. And then if you also come over to leaderboard, here's the leaderboard tab or the leaderboard page. So for the leaderboard, the person that makes or the person that earn most tickets or most points in a day, he or she will stand a chance to win 50 cents. Yeah, you see, this person is called Bambud or I don't know, whatever. So this person earned 75,000 points, and then if this hours ends, and then he or she is still at the first position, he or she will earn $50 right here as you see. So the first prize is $50, second prize is $35, and then third prize is $17. So it ends in 23 hours. So in a day, the person that earned most of the coins, that person will stand a chance to win a cash prize. And then if you are below the top, only the top threes are earning cash rewards. But then if you are above the third position, you only be rewarded with coins, you see. So the fourth position or the fourth person earned 60,000 points, and then he is being rewarded with 12,500 coins. So that's the leaderboard tab, and on here's also a reward tab right here. So for this page, here's where you can claim your ladder. So here's a daily bonus ladder here. So here, whenever each day that you visit this website, you have to come and claim. So you have to click on the claim 1 cent right here, and then what price it lands on, you will be rewarded with that price. And then also they have the 7 day streak. So for the 7 day streak, you need to be visiting the website each day all the way to day 7. So if you come on day 1, you'll get, I think, yeah, that is 2 cents, 2 cents. And then if you come on day 2, you get 5 cents all the way to day 7. So day 7th you'll get 50 cents, $50, sorry, you get $50. And then also another way of earning rewards on this website is by bonus code. So if you have a bonus code, you can join my bonus code. If so, use the link in the description box. Use the link in the description. That's my affiliate link. The first link in the description box. You get as you, and then if you join the website, you get access to the free case I talked about. So the free case, you stand a chance to win from 5 cents all the way to $250. And then for the bonus code, you have to type in Jenny. Yeah, my same name. Type in my same name, Jenny. That's the code, and then you'll be rewarded. I don't know what price they'll give you, but you'll be rewarded. You get a reward for that. So type in, if you join the website through my link, come and type in Jenny right here, JENNE, and then click on the claim button, and then you'll be rewarded. You have a reward because I referred you to the website. And also, if you join the website, there is an option whereby you can download their app. If you download their app, they will give you 150 coins. If you look at the top right here, you see download our app and then get 150 coins. So if you download the app, you will get 150 coins. And then also, if you follow them on Twitter, you get 100 coins. Yeah, the Twitter, if you follow them on Twitter, you get 100 coins. So that's the reward page. And then also they have affiliate. So the affiliate tab is by referring people to the website. All you have to do is to refer people to the website. And currently I have referred 30 people. Yeah, I've referred 30 users right now. And then okay, for right now I have 9 set to claim right now through my referral. So let me claim it right now. If I click on the claim, you see it has been added. If I refresh, so let me refresh and see whether, so my balance is 161 cents right now, $1.61. But let me refresh. I just claimed a $9 bonus. Okay, so you see the $9 has added up. You remember my balance was $101.61. But then when I claimed the 9 cents, you see my balance is now $171.70 right now. So in total I've earned, or I have received 18 cents from my referrals. So how the referrals work is that you have to refer people, to this website, and then earn when they complete offers, but and then you remember, when they complete offers you'll be rewarded, right? They will be paid. So if they earn cash one way, if you refer them and then they earn a cash right here, whatever cash they earn, there is a commission on that. So for example, if you refer someone to this website and then the person earns $1, you get a commission for that $1. Let me show you example. So here is your referral link. You can customize it as well by clicking on this button. So here's my referral link, and then let me take you to affiliate and show you what I'm talking about. So you see, I referred this person called Venkatesh. So he's from Kuwait. When I referred him, he was able to complete 2 offers. But then, so when he completed 2 offers, he earned $2.87. And then my commission was 14 cents. You see, when he earned 2 cents, $2.87, I got 14 cents right here. And then this person also completed 2 offers. So he earned, and this person is a woman, so she's a she. So when she completed 2 offers, she was rewarded with 65 cents, and then I got three cents. Yeah, so that's how the referrals work. Or works. I don't know. So the third person also completed 1 offer, and then he was rewarded with eight cents. So apart from this top three, any person that I referred hasn't earned anything yet. If you see, if I scroll below, you can see all the people following have zero zero dollar earned. You see, they have $0 in their balance right now. So here's the page 2 right here. So in total, I was able to earn only 18 cents from them because only 3 people have completed offers on this website. So that's how the website works. And then this 500,000 slots was updated because of the Christmas. It was brought because of the Christmas. And here, all you have to do is to just earn $1. So let me show you here. Get one token. So get one token for every $1 earned. So if you earn every $1, you get one token, and then you can use that token to spin. You see, they have prizes here, so you can use it to spin, and then whatever prize is land on, you'll be rewarded with that prize. You get that prize. So that's how you can actually make money on this website called Freecash. So you see, there's a whole lot of opportunity to be achieved, or to be there's opportunity to make money on this. There's an opportunity to make money on this website. So if you enjoyed the video so far, make sure you give a thumbs up, like the video, hit the like button so more people can recognize the video, and also do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button. Do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, and also turn on the post notification bell to avoid missing videos from me. Yes, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss a video. And also don't forget to use my link in the description box to join this website if you are interested in joining, because that will be my affiliate link. So make sure, for just for a quick destination, use the link in the description box for a straightforward sign up. So I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace.